Hey guys, welcome back to another natural state fishing episode. Got the bass boat dumped in, but we're crappie fishing today. Actually, we're anything fishing. Sophie's got her bass gear. I brought one bass pole and two crappie poles, so we're gonna try to find some crappie. She's gonna try to find some bass. Whatever we find, we're keeping. We're gonna take it home. We're gonna eat. We're wanting some fish, so we're gonna come out and catch our own instead of buying it. So that's the way to do it.
So technically, this is a catch, clean, and cook.
Yeah.
Technically.
Letting the old motor back there warm up a little bit, but we got a bucket of live minnows, and we got a bunch of soft plastics and stuff, the drop shot. So y'all hang out with us, and we're gonna go over here to this bridge.
I've got a new jerk bait.
Yeah, Sophie got her new jerk bait.
I've never thrown one of those, so we'll see how that goes.
We're gonna see if she can catch a jerk bait fish. We're gonna go to this bridge right here first and tie off to one of these pylons, see if we can find anything. So y'all hang out with us and see you when we get there. You called?
A little bit. There's a big one right there.
The lake has come up several feet in the last few days, so a bunch of debris in the water, so we're not running around everywhere. We're trying to make it up the river through a cove that's got a bunch of stumps in it. I'm trying to get up in for these crappie. So
This is what I want.
all right, we are struggling today. The river's come up a lot, and it is just muddy, dirty. Sophie is trying some brighter colored stuff. She said she's trying her whole tackle box. I'm trying to still put this little minnow around these trees for some crappie, but we may end up going back out to the main lake and finding some cleaner water, because this is rough here. Yeah. Can you grab the net?
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh!
Nice.
Where did you catch him at?
Right off that point. I had to swap over to a drop shot. Still on a live minnow, but
Baby, that thing's 2 pounds at least.
yeah, it's a good fish. All
Whose
right.
chances I get one?
Very good.
Oh, look at that football.
He's a fat dude. My weight's in the net, but yeah, a good little fat little fish. It's a spotted bass too.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that thing. Let's throw them in the live well.
Okay.
We're gonna keep some fish today. We're not playing around with them, so.
Dead or adorned?
That one ain't.
Nope.
All right, buddy. You all right? Dang, he's thick.
He's trying to get away from you.
Yeah. Come here, buddy. We just won't get a weight on you. I was just curious. Oh, it says low. I'm assuming battery.
Oh no.
Oh, there it goes.
You have batteries in your truck.
.67, a little over 2.5 pound spotted bass.
What was your PB?
2.89
Oh man.
on spotted bass. It's a fat dude though. Oh, oh.
Hello.
Yep. He's a little smaller.
Yeah, he's spicy though.
Yeah, he is. Come here, buddy. I guess we're gonna abandon ship on the crappie mission and just take home a load of bass.
That one's significantly smaller.
Yeah. You would for a sunfire fish or something. About like that. Just, yeah, there you go. He's looking at it.
Is that fish?
Yep.
Is it huge?
Pretty good.
Can we get the net?
Yeah, you would.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready.
Here we go.
Where did you catch this one?
Right there. Oh, another spot. Another fat spot.
Do you think I could get some of that action?
Yeah, drop shot a live minnow.
My drop shot pole's wrecked.
Man. That dude was not coming off. Not a chance. Ouch. All right, buddy. That's another nice little fat guy.
I don't get dinner tonight, guys. I haven't got anything. Oh, yeah. Good job, babe.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're loaded back up. It's cold. It got really cold and got really windy. We got 3 fish. We're gonna take them home, get them cleaned up, and then we'll get them in the frying pan some other day. I don't know. But we appreciate you guys hanging out with us. We'll show you guys the cleaning process, I guess, when we get home. And then we'll probably make it black and white so YouTube doesn't freak out. But anyway, we'll see you guys when we get home. We'll clean them up and then get them ready to eat. All right, guys, we're here. We got the fish back here. We kind of got small, medium, and large, but it works out good. I'm gonna start with the small guy and then we'll just work our way up. I got just a electric fillet knife, kind of cheating, but just go under that front fin, go down till you get the backbone, turn it and peel it off. Leave it attached so you can flip it over and take it right off there. And just trim that rib cage off. You got a perfect little boneless fillet. Beautiful, ready to eat.
I mean, wash it first.
Yeah. Cook it and everything.
Yeah, cook it up too.
Like that. And then take the fillets inside, clean them up. We're actually going to have them for lunch tomorrow, so we'll jump to the next day cooking them, and y'all can see that. Catch y'all in a second. All right, as y'all can see, we got the fillets here. Got some olive oil in the pan. We're going to get these going. You want some too? Sorry, baby. Hey. You can't have none. No, you can't have none. Alright. Alright guys, we're out here. We got the bass. I've been eating on it. Sophie ate some for lunch. Dylan's finishing up his nap, so she is in the house with him. I'm gonna sit out here and enjoy a beautiful rainy fall day, eat some of our fresh fish, and we'll catch you guys on our next adventure. Thank you for hanging out, and make sure you're subscribed.